So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing 2 faucets. These are the Moen, those look like Evas. Are they Evas?
Yeah, I think so.
Moen Eva faucet. Same faucet we've got at our house, except for in chrome. So these are Aura bronze. These are provided by the homeowner. Anyways, faucet comes with a new drain assembly, so that's good. Just keep in mind, as after you run the faucet, if you dry off that drain every time, then it won't scale over. Our hard water, this will turn white eventually. So just wipe it down, and you'll be in good shape. Underneath, we had a dilemma. Something happened in this bathroom at some point. We don't know exactly what, but you can see the PEX pipe coming out of the wall, which is not unusual. Typically it's up higher though, and so it looks like they had some kind of damage in the wall, and they repiped it here. Unfortunately, they piped the PEX pipe directly into the faucet with adapters and crimped it closed. Did have a valve installed, but there's no way to disassemble the piping from the old faucet, so we had to cut it apart. We talked to the homeowner and decided best way to go down here is like any other installation you see in a home is shutoff valves and then brand new water lines. Those are braided stainless steel, so that it all comes apart. Stainless steel lines come off. I mean, if you got to change those, you can, but these should last you for the life, the duration of the home. Anyway, so both sides, we're not going to take a picture. There's 2 sinks in here. There's one over there. Same thing on both sides. We reused the original piping here. This is your trap, Schedule 40 ABS, and then that's the new drain piece that comes with the faucet. And so it's all tied in. Hot and cold, we had to get some extensions for that. Normally we have like a 20-inch connector. We had to use a little jumper down here, a little 12-inch. Same thing over here, a little 12-inch to get it up, and then we had to purchase a separate extension to get those all tied in. Anyways, we've run lots of water down here, and no leaking. Outside of that, this installation is done.